English expression 2. Kick the bucket, die. Up in arms, very angry. Hit the sack, go to bed. On the fence, undecided. Zip your lip, keep quiet. In hot water, in trouble. Up in the air, uncertain. All ears fully listening. Tie the knot, get married. Throw in the towel, give up. Lose your marbles, go crazy. Lay down the law, be strict. Ring a bell, sounds familiar. Out of the blue, unexpectedly. Under the gun, under pressure. Go out on a limb, take a risk. Jump the gun, start too early. Right as rain, perfectly fine. On cloud 9, extremely happy. On the same page, in agreement. Tooth and nail fight fiercely. Green thumb, good at gardening. Under the weather, feeling ill. In the bag, certain to succeed. Hold your horses, wait a moment. Over the hill, past one's prime. Time flies, time passes quickly. Out of the woods, out of danger. Pull a fast one, deceive someone. Spill the beans, reveal a secret. See eye to eye, agree completely. Once in a blue moon, very rarely. On the ball, alert and efficient. Dead ringer, an exact look-alike. Stab in the back, betray someone. Off the cuff, without preparation. In a nutshell, summarized briefly. Over my dead body, absolutely not. Full of hot air, talking nonsense. Piece of cake, something very easy. Rain check, postpone an invitation. Cut the mustard, meet expectations. Cut to the chase, get to the point. Scared stiff, extremely frightened. Miss the boat, miss an opportunity. No dice, no chance or not possible. Get in hot water, get into trouble. Hit the jackpot, have great success. Pass the buck, shift responsibility. Pass the buck, shift responsibility. Walk on eggshells, be very cautious. Split hairs, make fine distinctions. Play it by ear, act without planning. Pay the piper, face the consequences. Sit on the fence, avoid taking sides. Break the bank, spend all your money. Smell a rat, suspect something wrong. In the spotlight, receiving attention. In a pickle, in a difficult situation. Get the ball rolling, start something. Go down in flames, fail spectacularly. Sell like hotcakes, sell very quickly. Cost an arm and a leg, very expensive. Seal the deal, make a final agreement. Fingers crossed, hoping for good luck. Live and learn, learn from experience. Hit the road, leave or start a journey. Down to earth, practical and realistic. Fall off the wagon, resume a bad habit. Raining cats and dogs, raining heavily. With flying colors, with great success. Let your hair down, relax and have fun. Eat your heart out, feel deep jealousy. Take the plunge, make a risky decision. Face value, the apparent worth or value. Hit the nail on the head, exactly right. Get cold feet, feel nervous or hesitant. Go off the deep end, react irrationally. Get under someone's skin, annoy someone. In the same boat, in the same situation. Butterflies in your stomach, nervousness. On the back burner, delayed or postponed. Go the extra mile, make a special effort. No love lost, dislike between two people. You can say that again. I agree with you. Step up to the plate. Take responsibility. Make your blood boil. Make you very angry. The whole 9 yards, everything possible. Keep your nose clean. Stay out of trouble. Look before you leap. Think before acting. Fly off the handle. Suddenly become angry. Stir the pot. Cause trouble or controversy. Leave no stone unturned. Search thoroughly. Rain on your parade. Spoil someone's plans. Stick to your guns. Maintain your position. Neck and neck. Very close in a competition. Steal the show. Attract the most attention. Give someone the slip. Escape from someone. Move mountains. Achieve something difficult. Let the cat out of the bag. Reveal a secret. Put your foot down. Assert something firmly. Put your foot down. Assert something firmly. Down in the dumps, feeling sad or depressed. Run out of steam, lose energy or motivation. Read between the lines, find hidden meaning. On a roll. Experiencing a period of success. Take a back seat, allow someone else to lead. Pull your weight, do your fair share of work. Lock, stock and barrel, everything included. Off the record, not for official publication. Go with the flow. Accept things as they come. Draw a line in the sand. Set a firm boundary. Wild goose chase, a futile search or pursuit. Neck of the woods, a specific area or region. Roll with the punches, adapt to difficulties. Cat got your tongue? Why aren't you speaking? Have a bone to pick, have an issue to discuss. Keep your fingers crossed. Hope for good luck. Hang in there, keep going despite difficulties. Red herring, a distraction from the main issue. Off the hook, freed from a difficult situation. When pigs fly, something that will never happen. Have a chip on your shoulder, be easily angered. Talk is cheap. Words are easy, actions are hard. Burn the candle at both ends. Overwork yourself. A dime a dozen, very common and of little value. Slip through the cracks, be overlooked or missed. The ball is in your court, it's your turn to act. Break the ice, make people feel more comfortable. Drive someone up the wall, annoy someone greatly. Weather the storm, survive a difficult situation. Laugh all the way to the bank, make money easily. Not playing with a full deck, not mentally sound. Make a beeline for, go straight towards something. Turn a blind eye. Pretend not to notice something. On the tip of your tongue, almost able to remember. pull the wool over someone's eyes, deceive someone. Your guess is as good as mine. I don't know either. Foot in the door, begin the first step of progress. Take a rain check, postpone an offer or invitation. Feather in your cap, an achievement to be proud of. Take the bull by the horns, face a problem directly. Shoot yourself in the foot, 'cause your own downfall. Not a chance, no possibility of something happening. It takes two to tango, both parties are responsible. Rock the boat, cause problems or disturb a situation. Call it a day. Stop working on something for the day. Off the beaten path, uncommon or out of the ordinary. Know the ropes, be familiar with how something works. A bitter pill to swallow, a difficult fact to accept. Wrap your head around, understand something difficult. Skeleton in the closet, a hidden, embarrassing secret. Go for broke, risk everything in an attempt to succeed. In over your head, involved in something too difficult. Get a second wind, gain new energy after feeling tired. Do or die, a critical situation where one must succeed. Leave someone in the lurch, abandon someone in trouble. Take with a grain of salt, don't take it too seriously. Nail in the coffin, something that will lead to failure. Face the music, accept the consequences of your actions. Water under the bridge, past events no longer important. Give a run for your money, compete strongly with someone. Back in the saddle, returning to something after a break. Speak of the devil, the person being talked about appears. Straight from the horse's mouth, from the original source. Let sleeping dogs lie, avoid interfering with a situation. Writing on the wall, an obvious sign of impending disaster. No strings attached, no special conditions or restrictions. Saved by the bell, saved from something at the last moment. Put your cards on the table, be honest about your intentions. Take a leaf out of someone's book, imitate someone's actions. The best of both worlds, a situation with all the advantages. Make a mountain out of a molehill. Exaggerate a small problem. Devil is in the details. Small details can cause big problems. Caught red-handed. Caught in the act of doing something wrong. Bite the hand that feeds you. Harm someone who has helped you. Put your money where your mouth is. Back up words with action. Put all your eggs in one basket, risk everything on one venture. Make hay while the sun shines, take advantage of good conditions. A watched pot never boils. Time feels longer when you're waiting. Back against the wall, in a difficult situation with few options. Jump through hoops. Do many difficult things to achieve something. All bark and no bite. Someone who talks tough but doesn't act on it. Throw someone under the bus. Blame someone else to protect yourself. Throw someone under the bus. Blame someone else to protect yourself. The early bird catches the worm. The first to act gets the advantage. Cry over spilled milk. Complain about something that can't be changed. Play devil's advocate. Argue against something for the sake of debate. You can't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge based on appearances. A leopard can't change its spots. People can't change their true nature. All that glitters is not gold. Not everything that looks good is valuable. The elephant in the room, an obvious problem that people avoid discussing. The pot calling the kettle black, criticizing someone for a fault you have. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Don't assume success too soon. A fool and his money are soon parted. Foolish people easily spend their money. Kill the goose that lays the golden eggs. Destroy a source of ongoing benefits. Square peg in a round hole. Someone who doesn't fit into a particular situation. Actions speak louder than words. What you do is more important than what you say. A taste of your own medicine. Getting the same bad treatment you've given others.